Tagpunan din round 2 ah.
Meron pa rin, di ba? Meron pa po. Magre-reveal pa po ba sila? Tulog na siya. Anyway, thank you po sa lahat ng mga... Ay, can I speak in Tagalog?
No English.
English?
Sama mo naman siya.
Taglish.
Yung dalawa ano.
Yung dalawa tawagin mo.
Ay, ang Taglish? No, I will speak in ano na lang. Ano, sumasakit yung ulo ko. Oo nga eh.
Sama mo na siya. Doon oh.
Hindi, first of all, I would like to thank everyone for coming. Yeah. Kasi, if you notice, konti lang tayo. This is just a small group kasi parang intimate ano lang to. Celebration for the baptism. Sabi nga ng ibang friends ko, ibang revelations, tatlong revelations sa iba. Kasi, di ba, I'm not really posting on social media. And now I'm going to reveal my husband. First revelation. Ladies and gentlemen.
Ay, sino yung hosting mo?
Ladies and gentlemen. Mr. Kari.
Translate this in Finnish. Tervetuloa kaikki tänne tapaamaan meitä ja ruokastajaisiin ja kiva nähdä, että teitä on niin paljon täällä.
Para Keras. Ilabas nyo na lang yung Google Translate nyo, guys. Hindi ba kaya?
So you speak Tagalog, I speak Finnish.
No, English.
Yeah, English.
You may speak in English, I speak in Tagalog. So yeah, he's from Finland. His name is Kari. Pero I think everybody knows naman. Most of us, but some other friends here, they don't know him that well. So he's from Finland. His name is Kari. Mr. Kari Joel Ilari Hanola. Trivia lang, wala silang middle name. No middle name. Ano lang, name, first name, second name, third name, and last name.
So how did you guys meet?
Who is secret?
Any questions?
So it was 1981.
Any questions from our media partners?
We second the motion.
Okay.
So, we met somewhere.
Okay.
That's somewhere down the road.
And the rest
Ano,
is
dating
history.
Sa dating app kami na.
Yeah, so like almost 2 years ago.
Oh, you have a seat. Take your seat. Go.
Almost 2 years.
This is a talk show.
Almost 2 years ago, I go traveling, see the world. And I found
Yeah, he's a seaman. He's a sailor. So, sa Finland, Europe lang naman yung ano niya. Ang safe. So, yeah, nagpunta siya. First time niya sa ano, he went to Philippines. First time niya sa Asia. So, he chose Philippines. And,
He chose you.
nag-swipe right siya. Ang ganda mo, te. Nag-swipe right siya. Hindi siya nag-left. So,
Question, what do you love about each other?
he's tall. Handsome.
Okay, give me
Hindi dark. Give me what? Ang grabe naman yung tanong niyo.
Five
Yeah.
reasons you love each other.
Uy, 5.
Five.
No.
yeah, you need only one.
Okay,
Yeah.
only one.
If you are love, you know.
Oh.
Oh.
Yeah. So I stopped traveling and I found the rest of my life.
Wala lang isasagot kasi. Dami question. Ano ba Miss Universe? Kakain lang naman
Yes,
tayo.
anything else?
Ano ba yung questions?
Kayo po, sa table niyo po. Representative.
Yeah, there was some of them were surprised.
So first time I meet the family, they didn't know that I was in TV. They didn't actually know me. Meeting me chat a couple of times. Nothing else. Then we celebrate Mama's birthday. Yes.
Yeah, in the province.
No, with Silona. What was it?
Was it me? When? It was not Mama's birthday. Oh, was it Mama's birthday?
What was?
No, nothing.
Nothing. It was nothing.
Saan ba yun? Birthday ba ni Mama yun?
Birthday.
Oh,
That was her
last year's birthday.
No, that's not her birthday. It was just a casual dinner.
Yeah, it was just a casual dinner.
Oh, and then you made the Jowa reveal. We did not know. You had a surprise.
So, we arranged a dinner for everybody. Since nandito yung sila Mama. Kasi actually sa province sila nag-stay. So, since nandito siya, nag-arrange ako ng dinner, kain lang. Yeah, I think something. We're celebrating something.
There was something.
Yeah, and then, umuwi siya noon. Nandito siya. That's the time na, pinakilala ko siya. That's the first, that was last year only.
Really? Bilis na.
So yeah.
First talk with Boy Abunda.
Quickest.
Lights
Oh, yeah.
on, lights off.
And then, nung third na pagpunta niya dito, third time na punta niya, yun na yung,
I-fast talk mo na, Rabo.
yun na yung, at yung patong punta niya, that was, yung February lang. Yun yung third na uwi niya, punta niya dito, February, this year. Hanggang sa mga anak ako. So, he's been here for almost 5 months. 6 months.
Going 7.
Yeah.
Yeah, I have a very nice job.
Pero ano siya, legal naman kayo. Hindi naman siya alien. So, so yeah, that's our story. So now, baptism ni Luna, nag-baby reveal na ako sa inyo. Kahit magala, kahit nung nanganak ako, after a month, only then my family met Luna. Yun yung wedding namin.
Oh, after pa, di pa namin
After
nakita.
1 month, saka lang nila nakita yung baby.
Mm.
And they didn't know na she is she. They thought it's a boy. Yeah,
Oo.
they thought it's a boy.
We didn't do the review.
Even the wedding, it was supposed to be before the giving birth, pero hindi na ganun. It was a sensitive pregnancy, so medyo quiet ako. Quiet din ako sa social media. But yeah,
May na-kiss the bride.
You may kiss the bride. You may kiss the bride.
so yeah, I would like to call, pero thank you so much for coming. Kaya, tingnan nyo, maliit lang yung group. It's just an intimate celebration. Thank you so much guys for coming. Yung mga hindi nakapunta, next time na lang, kung ano, diba? Dito lang naman kami eh. Kung may re-review ulit ako, hindi.
Second baby.
Anyway, since konti lang naman tayo, half is my family and the rest is, this group na invited, you know naman that you are all special to me. Lahat kayo may part sa life ko, kaya hindi ako nag-invite ng other friends or acquaintance. So, anyway, I would like to call on all the ninong and ninang. Uy, opo! Sabi ni Father, opo! Ninong and ninang, dito na muna kayo sa harapan. Sheila! Kain ka lang! Ninang-ninang! Come here!
Oh, so,
Representative ka naman.
2 people. So,
Ninang, kami ka dito, Ninang. Ay!
So it's 4.
Ay! Ninang!
Grace, kaya mo ang Grace.
Ayan. So, walang game. I-introduce ko lang sila sa inyo. And, wala say hi sa iyo. I just would like to introduce you all to everybody, especially to my family. Para alam naman nila. And even he, because he doesn't really know you. Are you listening?
Gutom na yung baby.
Ay! Yeah, okay. Ate Lima,
you speak Tagalog, so...
oh no, this is English. In Tagalog accent. Okay. So anyway. So, 2, 4, 6. Actually, there's 7. One is in US right now. So, hindi siya makapunta. But then, he said hi to everybody. She's saying hi to everybody. So, first, mag-start tayo sa mga major. Late. Major late. This is Rudolph and Rose Ann. Isayin ko ng RR. So, these two are my college friends and classmates. Yes, they're my classmates since college. So, we have lost contact for how many years, right? Kasi, pag nag-graduate, after graduation, find job, busy sa life, and then, parang how many years lang? 5-6 years ago, saka ulit kami nag-reconnect. But then, we're still saying hi, hello, and yeah, we're here. So, thank you so much, guys. So, Rudolph and Rose Ann. Okay? And then we have Vlad here, family friend and business partner of my brother, Cindy. So he's a good friend as well. He was there during the wedding, so I told myself, gonna make him Nino instead. So thank you so much for
It's my pleasure, actually.
thank you. So bahala ka na ha kay Luna. And Erin here is representative of her mom. Her mom is working in Papua New Guinea. So, yeah, which is my last destination. My previous company, PNG. So, yeah, she cannot make it, but the daughter is here, and this is Erin. The mother is Jennifer. She's a good friend of mine sa PNG.
Si Jennifer.
And, yeah, si Jennifer.
Oh, Jennifer.
Sa Rinton, si Joy. Si Joy, kasama ko rin siya sa PNG. Magkakasama kami. Siya yung kasama ko dati sa first accommodation ko.
Oh, si Joy.
Yeah, that's Joy.
Hey, Joy.
I didn't know that she's here.
Oh.
Until the mother told me na, oh, nandyan si Joy. So I said, okay. Oh yeah, nandyan siya. In-invite ko siya agad. And she doesn't know about it. Doesn't have an idea until, kailan? 2 days ago? Last night lang. Last night lang nung ni-reveal ko na sa kanya. Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, I told her we were just gonna have a husband review. And then I have here Lara. So, I'm not sure, though my family knows, I studied caregiving. Kakatapos ko lang siya. Oh, di ba?
Yes.
Study review! Nakatapos ko lang nung, July.
Graduate ka na.
Yes, so natapos ko siya with the help of my husband kasi
Buti na pag-graduate ka.
Sabi ko nga,
Congrats!
thank you. So yeah, I studied caregiving.
Ilang years?
6 years. Actually, 6 months lang siya. Ideally, 6 months lang siya. But it depends kung may mga bagyo and all. Kahit tumagal ako hanggang since February, sabi na ng doctor, total bed rest, hindi ka na pwedeng pumasok. Supposedly March or February or March, tapos na ako. But then, I cannot do. Hindi na ako pwede. Kasi nga, sensitive yung pregnancy, so I stopped. And dito lang, nakakatapos ko lang siya. Natapos ko siya. So yeah, Lara is one of my classmates. And,
Si Lara! Si Lara! Ah, okay. Si Lara pala. Klase.
Meron pa namang huli. So yeah, dalawa lang silang nakakaalam nung una na buntis ako. And that's Sheila over there.
Tayo po tayo. Tayo. Si Sheila pala. Ako.
So yeah, actually nauna na silang magkakasabay kami. But then, since
Magkakasabay kayo?
nag-stop ako, so nauna silang natapos sa akin.
Ah.
Si Lara! Kahit ka lang nga siya lang. So yeah, that's Lara. We were doing the Red Cross. Hindi nila alam na buntis ako.
Hmm.
And then we were like, diba sa Red Cross, training of Red Cross, you need to bring, you need to carry, you need to do this and do that. Hindi nila alam. Si Sheila lang nakakaalam nun. Nabuntis ako.
Aha.
Pero, so whenever we have, demonstration, she was like, okay ka lang ba? Kasi alam niyang buntis ako. But, ilang months pa lang ako nun. 2 months na ako. So, yeah. Lara, yun. So,
Naku, si Lara walang alam.
Malaman ko din.
Paano mo nalaman? Paano mo nalaman? Ah, chismosa.
Ang ano kasi funny, kasi hindi naman sila nagtanong about my husband. So, hindi nila alam. During the, Facebook page, saka lang nila nakita yung husband ko kung sino. But they know that I'm pregnant. Ayun. And then, lastly, we have Shallow here. Shallow, saan kita nakilala? I'm from Edmark, my first company. One Edmark. So yeah, hindi rin sila bully, hindi rin sila basher. Sila yun. Akin yung mic, kayo kami. So yeah, Ate
May dala
Shelo.
siyang spirulina.
Yeah, yes. She's the one.
Oh. Meron ka?
Siya yun. Wala dito.
Kasi pala kayo doon ah.
So, 15 years, di ba? 15 years of friendship.
Pero kayo 30%
Diba?
off,
Ay,
bisita sa office.
more than, mga siguro 18 years na.
And counting na lang.
And counting, yes. So, sila yung mga unang, wala yung iba kasi hindi sila nag-yes. Nag-no sila. Nag-swipe left sila.
Uy,
Pero naman mo si Perry.
may tanong naman muna sa'yo.
Ay, sige.
Okay.
Tapos na kanina.
Hindi, meron na.
Ano?
Kung sabi mo kasi sa GC, sino pwede ng 21? Ang tanong namin lahat, papakain ka.
Kasi tuloy yung mga pagkain natin sa isang hindi kami nakakabag.
Nagagalit siya. Ako nagtanong, ba't niya ako sinasagot ng tanong?
Exactly, di ba? Kung
Oo.
sasagot. So yeah, sabi ko sa kanila, husband gender reveal. Hindi naman sila nagpunta. But anyway, yeah, I have here Shelo, Ate Shelo, Perry, and the brother. So, sila lang nakapunta. And Mark Group of companies.
Ah.
But then, AIM! AIM siya.
Edmar Group of Companies,
Power? Power.
Power. Roseanne, power.
Ay, di ba? Mark ka lang, Mark pala. So yeah, nag-iba na siya ng company. Pero yeah, we're still connected. May ano nga.
May iba pa.
May iba pa. May mga iba pa. Sa kulto namin. Pero kami lang, sila lang nakapunta. So yeah. Si Ate Shelo, so yeah, hindi naman kasi nila alam ko ano yung event. Only them.
Totally wala kaming alam.
Ngayon,
Hanggang sa sinend ko yung invitation sa kanila. Para aware sila, di ba? Hindi rin nakapunta yung dalawa pa. friends namin. So, but anyway, it's okay. Okay na yun. Nakakain naman sila ng madami.
Kaya nga. Tatlo to.
Sabi,
Jowa.
Jowa reveal, baby reveal, gender reveal.
Baby reveal.
So, yun. So, yeah, sila lahat. One more. Keith. You know Keith? Si Keith!
Sinong-
Si Keith, ano naman siya? Sa Edward din siya dati. Nakasama ko sa Malaysia. Yes, nakasama ko siya sa Malaysia. After that, she left. And then, we're still friends. Talagang, continuous naman yung communication namin. And now she's in US. She migrated to US. And tuwing uwi, punta dito. And siya yung unang nag-presentang maging ninang. Kasi, mag-presentang ninang kay Luna. But then she's not here, so... And it's okay.
Pinoy yun ka? Sige.
Yes, nakasama ko siya yung accountant dati sa Malaysia. Kaya, hindi na siya diretso siya sa Malaysia. Uy, kahit pagpunta na ako. Hindi na nangyari. Tanong siya eh. So yeah, galing din siya ng Edmark and then after that, so she's in US. So yeah, kayo lahat ang ninong-maninang. And I hope, do you want to say something to them? To them. Yes.
Thank you.
Because, yeah, he's not so social, so hindi siya sa Finland kasi ganun yung culture nila.
Match naman kayo.
Smart. Social distancing ang ano doon.
Bigla mag-disappear sa Facebook. Tapos pag may message, walang profile.
Okay, when we had this COVID and everybody said that 6 feet. 6 feet distance.
Oh, yeah.
Now we are trouble in Finland. We have to go 6 feet. Yeah. Then somebody asked, can we go back to normal? Well,
I guess yun. So, dati pa na silang, ganun talaga sila. Hindi sila approachable, but then, hindi naman, friendly sila, but you have to really, know them. Saka din mag-internship. So, hindi rin sila pala smile. Pero happiest people sila, guys.
8 years in a row.
8 years!
8 years in a row, 2025. Happiest country. Country! Happiest country, but not the people. Sabi kaya, disclaimer ba kayo post baka magalit sila. Yeah, not the nation. Exactly.
Very accomplished, no?
I think it's the government. Very Finnish. So yeah. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you. Ay, ito pa tapos! Yay! Hindi pa.
Muna siya.
Lunch project.
Pwede magpapagin ng glass. Ng glass.
Wine glass, gobo glass.
Wine glass. Empty.
So ano, ito, Vlad. Music na, ano. Yung finish na music for, toast. Sino to?
Okay, I have a little bit of souvenirs here. This is
Sila.
very Finnish, very salmiakki.
Ito. Siya din.
This is our life.
Siya din, oh.
Salmiakki, it's our candy, ice cream, chocolate, alcohol.
It's a liquor.
Yes.
Something liquids.
It's everything.
It's in,
So, if you don't want to taste bad luck, not going to taste.
Mozart.
Everybody can have it.
Hindi ko alam kung sino ganyan yan.
I taste this one.
Pero may chocolate doon. Chocolate candy.
Music Neng.
Drive ko na.
Sa taste, Secret. Kunti lang muna, babe. Just small amount.
Me until this amount only.
So, 2 fingers.
May kinakabahan dyan.
I'm excited. Cheers tayo.
O, wag mo nang inom eh.
Parang ano yan, no? Vegemite ng ano.
Parang, hindi.
Something sweet na ano, may tama.
May simpa pa.
Step, sweet na may tama.
Hindi. Hindi, sige pa.
Cheers! Teka.
May Benadryl?
Pepakas.
Give them. Wait
Busin mo yan,
lang
ah.
Okay. Teddy, get your glasses.
Guys, get your glasses.
Glasses.
Glass.
Attorney, glass.
Kanina pa. Kayo po. Ito po.
Thank you.
Sama ko. Glass.
Letty, inom ka? Bakit ikaw?
Plana, glass.
Okay, go. Refill. Wait lang.
Okay, it's salmiakki.
Alin, yan ba yung parang chocolate din? Chocolate na binigyan mo sa amin.
Pero ano po?
Kipis.
What is kipis?
Kipis is called.
Ipis, alcohol, oh.
Or healthy coffee or Pohyaman coffee or
Ay, talaga ba?
pwede.
Ready?
And this is a shot.
Shot.
Yeah.
Cheers.
Yeah, but let's keep it in the mouth and taste the salmiakki.
Okay.
Okay, are you all ready?
Congratulations!
Cheers! Bottoms up! Bottoms up! Yeah! Kiss! 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 May hindi po nakaubos. Mami, may tama na kayo.